Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today question helps many learners like very simple maths, but this is very tricky one. Okay, but we will solve it step by step so everybody will understand how we can solve it. So, here, as we know, PEMDAS rule, a simple mathematical operation, 2 divided by 4, that is, we will write like this, 2 divided by 4. Okay, and this division will become division, and 4 times 2, that is what, 8. Okay, okay, and we will apply ACF rule, that means A for this part, C for this part, and F for this part. We will keep this as 2 times 4. Divide is changed to multiply, and 8, that we can write is 8 by 1, and here 1 by 8. Okay, so 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, and numerator part 1 into 1 1, and 8 times 2, that is 16. So here answer is 16. If you want to be a zero to hero in mathematics, go and check out in description. Okay, these are 13 books which are going to help you in this, and thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.